What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Truly appreciate it. If you guys have been around and you guys have been subscribed to the channel, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be going over how to trim your beard. And this one is not going to be too crazy. It's going to be how to trim the outside of your beard and the bottom. I'm going to keep my beard a little bit, bigger. I'm not going to cut it down too short. I'm going to show you guys two different styles of beards. One's going to be more of an angular and squared shape, so very nice and sharp. The other side is gonna be kind of round. I'm gonna show you the difference between the two, so make sure to stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button. Once we have 50K subscribers, I might be doing a PlayStation 5 giveaway, so make sure to subscribe, like, comment down below. Let's get into it. All right, so first, whenever you're gonna go and start shaping your beard, whether you're doing it at home or you're gonna tell your barber and have him shape up your beard, do yourself and the barber a favor. Make sure to always brush out your beard, take away all the knots or straighten out your beard however you like to do it, but make sure there's no tangles in there and the beard is fully extended to its full length. I usually like to do this after I get out of the shower because my beard's nice and clean, and I go ahead and apply some beard oil in there as well so that the hairs are nice and loose, detangled. There's no knots in there, as you can tell when I run the comb through there. It's nice and smooth. For this video, you're only be needing two things. I'm not gonna be lining up the cheeks or anything like that because I've been plucking. If you guys follow me on Instagram, show some tips, but plucking really helps preserve that hairline, keep it natural, so I'm not gonna be touching the line. We're only be shaping the beard and lining up the neckline. I'm gonna be using my Gamma Alpha clippers. This is one of the clippers, more affordable for at-home use. Really good clipper. It's got some levers on there so you know where you're at, so it works really great. If you guys want to get your own, the link will be down below. I'll have the link to the actual website. You could use the code, get 10% off, or most people do shop on Amazon. I'll go ahead and have the link down below for the Amazon as well if you want to purchase through there. Next is going to be the Evo trimmer. This is going to help us get the sharp lines. They hit right out of the box, so these will work great for you as well at home. Links will be down below for this as well. All right, so now let's get into it. So beards are never, identical. They're kind of like boobs. One's always, bigger and smaller. But they're not the same. One's always, different shapes, whatever. So this one's usually more straight and angular. This one's a little bit more round. So I'm gonna show you guys the straight side on this and then the round side on this. I'll let you guys decide which one you like better. Comment down below and then we'll go from there. All right, so I'm gonna get my clipper. I'm gonna have it all the way close because I'm gonna be shaping it. I'm gonna take away some bulk from the side first and then I'm gonna start lining up the bottom. If you aren't too comfortable, you could start off with the blade, halfway open, all the way open, so it takes a little bit less hair, and you could be a little bit more safe. But I'm gonna have it all the way closed, and we're gonna start working. And what I'm doing is gonna go from, where the top of my side burner, where that's straight, I'm gonna just bring that straight down, getting any excess hair. Now go back over with your trimmer, clean up what you just did. Alright, so as you can see, boom. Now we're gonna do the bottom. And there you go, created that bottom line now. Go back over with the trimmer. And there you go. As you can see, it's very straight, boom, angular. So that's a certain way you can do it. And then you could go ahead, I'm gonna clean this off too, just get it nice and tight. And what you wanna do is look straight in the mirror and just get those loose hairs are hanging down, okay? And then when I went with that bottom, what I did was just put my head up and just cut straight in, giving me that straight shape. Because the beard, there's different dimensions to the beard. You got the outside, you have the underneath, and then you have the bulk, which is in the middle, okay? So you got different steps. So if you just want, a bigger beard with sharp lines, just line up the bottom line, boom, line up the back line, and then that's it. And then after that, you're gonna have your shape on the outside, and then now you just start shaping the beard into what you want. So if you want it very nice and tight, close to those lines, then now you start debulking that bulky area right here into those lines that you created. So if you want it more sharp, you come straight into that line. It just depends on how you angle it. But that's more in depth for another video. So right now, I just wanna make this a little bit more flatter on my face. I want it more snug to my cheeks, but keeping that bulk underneath. So all I did there now you can see a big difference. All I did was look straight in the mirror, and when I'm looking straight, all I'm doing is cutting whatever is in the way from that line that I could see. So I'm just coming straight back, boom, 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 you know, coming straight back to that line, and then just keep it nice and tight on my face like that. As you can see, this is the nice squared look. Now this side, I'm gonna go ahead and do the round, and you can see the difference between the two. All right, so now let's go ahead and do the round side. So as you can see from the front profile, it still has, you know, nice square shape, but a little bit round to it, as you can tell right here. But when you're looking from the side profile, you can see it's much more boxed right on this side. And then the side profile for this side is much more rounded. See the difference? Round with a little bit of squareness, you know, bulkiness right here. But from the side profile, again, much more angled on this side, much more rounded on this side. So it really depends on what you guys think. Comment down below what you guys think is better, the round side or the more angular and squared side. And also it just depends on your beard. For some reason this side of my beard likes to round a lot easier, but this side it's a lot easier to get nice and squared. So I have to push this side in a little bit to get it round like this side. I've recently been liking this side more, the roundness. So it just really comes down to preference and what you guys think. But I'm gonna go ahead and match the two now, show you guys the final result. And then you guys go ahead and let me know what you guys think. Alright YouTube, so that's the video. So I kind of rounded it a little bit more now on the side, so it matches this side. Blend it into the bulky area. And then the mustache, I'm trying to let it grow out longer so it could kind of like all go together, look a little bit bulkier. So all I'm gonna do is push it to the side and then just clean up whatever is hanging over. There you go. Nice and easy, keeps it out of the mouth. But that's the quick video on how to kind of trim your beard and two different styles, you know, one more squared and angular, one more rounded. Make sure to comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see. If you guys would like me to go live on YouTube, answer some questions that you guys have and stuff like that, you know, I could just go ahead and, you know, chop it up, talk to you guys, trim my beard live and like talk to you guys. If you guys like that, comment down below. I'm gonna have a more in-depth video on how to trim your beard, like 6 steps, how to, you know, line up the neck, how to trim it, how to razor it, line up the mustache, all that way more in depth. So make sure to hit the subscribe button, like the video, comment down below so you guys are, you know, up to date whenever new videos are dropping. And I appreciate you guys so much for all the love and support. This channel's been growing like crazy, so I truly appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys on the next one, right? I'm out.